morning everyone. Here me and my friend will show a presentation about HIV/AIDS. Before it, let me introduce myself and my friend first. My name is Aliza Naila Zaida with my friend Nurmailana Dewi, Putri Novitasari, Siti Indriani, and Trisna Yulistianti. In this occasion, we will provide information about the definition, history, media and modes of transmission, prevention, fact and myth of HIV/AIDS, and case accumulation. The first segment is the definition of HIV/AIDS. What is HIV/AIDS? HIV, or human immunodeficiency virus, is virus that attack immune system human body, and if not treated quickly, will lead to more serious disease that called AIDS. AIDS, or Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome, is a collection of disease symptoms due to a weakened immune system cause HIV infection. The next segment is history of HIV/AIDS. The HIV virus, believed to have been first discovered in Kinshasa, Democratic Republic of Congo, in 1920. When it was reported, the virus was named as IV, or simian immunodeficiency virus, and came from chimpanzees and gorilla. In 1984, it was champagned that this disease was very highly contagious. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, believed to have been first discovered in Bali, 1987. For this reason, on December 1st, 1988, WHO declared that date as the World AIDS Day, so that the world community is always aware of this disease. Thank you for attention. The next segment will be explained by my friend, Putri Novitasari.
Hello, my name is Putri Novitasari. I will explain the third segment, that is media and modes of transmissions. Media transmissions, that is blood, sperm fluid, and vaginal fluid. Part of the modes of transmissions, that is the third is blood transfusions. The second is organ or tissue transplant. The third is use of needles that have been contaminated with HIV. The fourth is use of needles or salts that allow the occurrence of wounds alternately. The fifth is unsafe sex without a barrier or condoms. And the sixth is pregnant women infected with HIV in their unborn babies. There are three types. H. Antenatal is when the baby is still in the womb through the placenta. B. Intranatal is the process of childbirth. The baby is exposed to the mother's blood or vaginal fluids. C. Postnatal is after the childbirth process through breastfeeding. Thank you for attention. The next part will explained by my friends, Nurmailiana Dewi.
Hello, my name is Nurmailiana Dewi. I will explain the fourth segment. So, to get over this HIV/AIDS case, here are some ways to prevention. That is A, B, C, D, E. The first A, abstinence, is not having sexual intercourse before marriage. B, be faithful, is remain faithful to their partner, for those who are married. C, condom, use a condom during sexual intercourse for protect yourself. D, drugs, don't use drugs at all. And the last E, equipment, be careful of equipment that causing a risk of injury and use alternately or together. Thank you for attention. The next part will explain by my friend, Siti Indriani.
Hello, my name is Siti Indriani. I
will explain the fifth segment, that is myth and fact. So, after you know about the prevention of HIV/AIDS, which has been explained by my friend, now is my part that will explain the fact and myth about HIV/AIDS that you should know. Myth and fact number 1. Myth: HIV is transmitted through mosquito bites. Fact: HIV is not transmitted through mosquito bites because HIV can only live in human body. Number 2. Myth: HIV is transmitted through the use of toilets or equipment that has been used by PLWXA. Fact: HIV is transmitted through contact, activities in social activities. Number 3. Myth: we can know people who are infected with HIV just by looking. Fact: without a blood test for HIV antibodies, a person's status can be known because people who have been infected HIV/AIDS are as healthy as normal people. Thank you for attention. The next will explained by my friend Trisna Yulistianti.
Hello everyone, my name is Trisna Yulistianti, and the last segment I will discuss the accumulation of HIV/AIDS cases in Indonesia. Okay, based on the data we got, during period 2009 until March 2021, the accumulation of HIV cases reached 427,000 cases. Meanwhile, for the accumulation of AIDS reached 131,000 cases. And if we look in the graph, the accumulation of HIV are higher than case of AIDS. And in this period, the highest case of HIV occurred in years 2019, which one reached 50,000 cases. And then, if we look at the period January until March 2021, many PLWHA cases were found in Central Java Province. Meanwhile, for the PLWHA finding, at least they were in West Sulawesi Province. Which of these cases, the percentage of PLWHA findings in people is type male gender are higher than female gender. Okay, that's bring us to the end of the presentation, and we would like to summarize by saying cases of HIV/AIDS continue to increase and are concerning. Therefore, we must be able to reduce and overcome these HIV/AIDS problems. Because if not us, who else? Okay, thank you for attention. I hope we have shared would be beneficial for all of us. Thank you. See you soon.